Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add extra authentication phone number field in default login form in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Now go to login form. So this is our form and then you see username, password. So we are going to add phone number field for authentication. So when all three information correct, then login work. If phone number not correct, then login not work. Back to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Now go to edit user and then you see phone number. So this is our phone number. Now back to add plugin. In search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our phone number field. We are going to add in login form and then you see input type, class input, ID, my underscore phone underscore field and then you see name attribute and then scroll down you see add filter authenticate and then you see my value, my phone field. So this value is same, name attribute and then you see user, get user by login username, user ID and then you see meta key. So you can add your phone number meta key here and then you see if user my value is not match with our input value, then show this error. So you can add error according to your requirement. So we added custom message, please add correct phone number and then scroll up you see meta key. Now go to edit user. So this is our field, phone number, right click on it and then click on inspect element. So click on it. Now inspect element open and then you see input type, class, name, name attribute and then you see value. So we are using name attribute in custom code. Now copy this name value attribute. Now go to custom code and then you see meta key. Now paste here and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to default login form and refresh the page. So add username and password. So we added username and password, not add any phone number. So click on login first to check. Now you see error. Now add username and password. So we added username, password and then you see phone number we added. So this phone number exists in user record. If all three value not match, then login not work. Now click on login. Now you see we are in profile and you will find custom code in video description or in comment section. So in code you can add your field meta key value. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.